Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is Advent Day 24. Can you believe that? Happy Christmas Eve. I hope everyone has been having a great day. I've had a day in the car, and so that's why I'm really late filming today. My guys are all gone to the movies now to see Star Wars, so I'm at home alone by myself with a bunch of dogs, actually. But anyway, oh yes, I hope you're all having a great day, and I hope you're all ready for Christmas if you have something going on tomorrow for Christmas. And keep in mind the last minute things and the little tiny details really only matter to you. Other people won't notice, so don't stress yourself out too much. We'll have a really low-key day tomorrow. Probably just my boys will probably just choose to sleep most of the day, catch up on rest and stuff, and so I'll probably nap on and off and really do nothing. I might work on a blanket project that I was working on for Jody, and then it got put to the side while I got other things done. So I might get back to work on that now that the holidays are over, and I can kind of work on projects that I want to work on again. So it's probably what I'll do tomorrow. I was thinking about that today, is pulling it out to work on it tomorrow. But anyway, Phoebe's over here eating her dog food, so I don't know. She wants a treat. Do you want a treat? Huh? You think you might? Do you think you might want a treat? Y'all can't see her, but she's like, yes, I want a treat. Come here, let's look down in your baggie. Oh, Phoebe. Look at here. Let's see. Oh, you almost fell, girl. Did you get a treat? Good girl. Good girl. Ginger come to see. I'm going to have to do a video and show all of our dogs on a video. I'll probably try to do that this next week. Maybe I'll get the boys to help me film one tomorrow. Showing all of our dogs on a video. So anyway, today's 24, so I'm going to open my bag 24. Let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh, let's see. Well, here is some yarn, and it's a green yarn with sparkles in it. And I do see it matches like this pink, yellow, and a purple, and even a blue that I've had already this month. This matches up with that, so I'll have to make a little stocking to go with that. And then here is a peppermint bark. I don't know if it's a candy bar or what. Peppermint bark. I guess it's a candy bar. Yeah, I guess it's a candy bar in there. So that'll be a nice little treat tomorrow while I'm trying to do nothing. I'll show you my door. I have 23 little stockings up there. I just love looking at that door and looking at all the cards. All the beautiful cards up there. I appreciate every one of them. I just love looking at them. So I am going to leave those up for a little while. I do have some cards I want to share with y'all that I've got in. This is from Cynthia, and her YouTube channel is Cin's Crafting World. And so she wrote me a little note in a card, and the card is a cute little kitty cat and puppy looking up at a tree. It says Merry Christmas, so that's really cute. And then she crocheted a little snowflake. So I'll hang that on my tree, and tomorrow I'll show my little tree with my crocheted items. So I'm going to lay this up here so I remember to put it on my little tree tomorrow. So I really appreciate that, Cynthia. Thank you. And then I have a card from Christina in Arizona. And this is really cute. a snowman with a cardinal on top of his hat and one on his hand. It's really cute. Thank you. I appreciate that, Christina. And then I have a Peace on Earth from Dora, the Yarny Zebra. And if you hadn't checked out her channel, she's very entertaining. I enjoy watching her. And she has some Louisiana friends. And that was the first video I saw of hers, was her and her Louisiana friends. And yeah, I connected. Well, I guess one of them was from Louisiana. But anyway, yeah, I connected real quick to them. Because I think they were calling each other heifer. And, I mean, that's what we say down here. But anyway, it's a beautiful card. I love the blue and the little simple houses there. Isn't that cute? I love the simplicity of it. Like it says a lot, but yet it's, you know, just a simple little card. Peace on Earth. And thank you so much. I love that. I just got finished watching a video of yours. And then I have a card that is just adorable. It says, "Here comes Santa Paws." And this card is from Cheryl Bolt's Yarning with Hook. With Yarn and Hook. Sorry about that. But that's a picture of her and her husband with Santa. They look so cute with him. And if I ever got my husband to take a picture with Santa, I'll definitely be posting that everywhere, because I doubt that will ever happen. Although Dakota was Santa for PetSmart. He had to do it 2 days this year and have pictures made with, you know, dogs and cats and whatever people brought in. So I guess if Jody had been off and we'd went up there, he probably would have got a picture made with Dakota. So I think Cheryl's husband, Wynn, is a really good sport for that. And then this card is really cute too. I love this. It's an old post mailbox. It says "Peace with Love." But anyway, there's a red bird on top of it. It's just beautiful. And this card is from Roseanne. And Pennsylvania. I don't know, I tore my envelope when I was opening it. But thank you, Roseanne. I love that. And then here's another card from Lisa at Happy to Hook. And it's a picture of, I guess, Mary and baby Jesus. Thank you, Lisa. I appreciate that card. And then the last card is from Crystal at Chronically Crocheting. And I love this card. That is something that would happen at my house. The deer looking in the window. We live in the wildlife refuge, and so, I mean, we have all kinds of wildlife animals just walk up to the house and, you know, looking around. So that could really happen here. But I love that. It's a pretty card. Thank you so much, Crystal. And again, her channel is Chronically Crocheting. I want to make sure I said that correctly. Oh, goodness. Today is, like I said, Christmas Eve. So, I might even get on here tomorrow and just see if anybody's up for chatting. If anybody's going to be home alone and wants to chat tomorrow, we're on a live, let me know in the comments. And so, I might can do that, you know. Since I don't have anything planned, I'm just going to crochet some, but I can do that on a live chat if anybody wants to. Just chat if you're going to be home alone tomorrow. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see what time. You know, if you're up for that, list that you want to do that and list what time is good for you. I'm Central Time, so let me know your time. That would be my time. Oh, yeah, let me know. Do it for Central Time. What time you would be up for that. So we'll see. You know, I may not be able to accommodate every time that somebody says something, but we'll just see what happens. I'm just go with the flow. Whatever happens tomorrow happens. But anyway, I appreciate you all watching. I'm gonna get going, and I hope you all have a blessed day.